Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Claudio. So glad that you're here. If you're a first-time visitor or repeat visitor, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider liking this video and subscribing and sharing with your friends. Today I'm sharing with you a little video hack in Adobe Express on how to add a fade to black dissolve into your video. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Here I have a video project that I started in the all-new Adobe Express. I've already imported a video clip that you see here, as well as added animated text. If you want to learn more about animating text, images, and video, check out the linked video you see above to learn more about that. So what I want to do here is add a transition at the end, or basically fade to black for this video. At the moment, there is not an option to do that. There is transitions available between scenes. So I'll show you here. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this scene here. And what happens is you'll see this plus sign in between scenes and you can add transition. At the moment, there is only a cross dissolve. More are coming soon. So you'll see what happens when you choose the cross dissolve. It goes from that scene, it dissolves into the next. But I want to dissolve to a black, or fade to black, dip to black, whatever you want to call it. And so I figured out a little hack on how to do that. So what we'll do is come to the end over here, or we can just add a scene. So here we have a blank scene, an empty scene. So what we'll do next is choose elements. And within elements, you have design, assets, background shapes, and icons. What we'll do is use the shapes, and we are going to add a rectangle to the scene. We're just going to cover the entire scene in black, and we will stretch this rectangle to cover the entire scene here, depending on what format or what ratio you have for your video. I'm going to go ahead also and make sure that I have black or solid black. So let me go ahead and make sure. Yep, we got all the hex zeros there. And I have it as a 5-second transition. I'm going to go ahead and make it about a 3-second fade here. So here's the cool thing. Now, because I have these two scenes, I have mine and going into the black square, we have this now available for us, which is the plus sign here. And what we'll do here is add transition, and we will add a dissolve. So now what happens is when I click play, so we'll go ahead and allow that to happen. We have my scene playing and it's going to dissolve. Coincidentally, if you want to fade in at the beginning of your entire video, you can do this, duplicate this scene here, and then drag this to the beginning of your entire videos, and then choose that button again, transition. We will choose dissolve. So now you'll have that transition at the beginning of your video. So let's see, we'll have the fade in from black. There we go. And then we'll have it at the end. If you want to have a different color for fade in, white, you can choose pretty much any color. Just add the shape and change the fill color to your liking, and you can have your own customized fade to whatever color you want. And that's how to add a fade to black to the end of your videos in Adobe Express. Now it's your turn to give it a try. If you have any comments or questions about this video, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe, click the bell to be notified for future videos, and please share this video with your friends so that YouTube shares it with a wider audience. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching this video. Have fun creating, and as always, be good to one another. Peace.